In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create those trending image like this, as you can see, for your Facebook account or Instagram or YouTube channel. Okay, and they are really easy and simple to create, as you can see with your name here. Thanks Smart. I just made those trending pictures for my YouTube channel. As you can see, they are really nice and cool. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and search for this website. Okay, search for Beam AI. Okay, click on the first link over here like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here on sign in. If you don't have an account with Beam AI yet, click on sign in, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click on create one, and what you need to do, just put your email address here and click on next, and you will write your password and you will verify your email address. They will send you a code to your email address. You will verify your account, and that's it. After you finish, you will have an account like this one. Okay, let me show you. You should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, just click over here. I'm gonna delete this. Click over here, okay, in the search over here, and put this prompt. I will leave this prompt in my description guys, so you can just copy and paste. And what you need to do next, you will go to the first of this prompt, and let me see, and over here so for me, if you want to make those pictures for Facebook, you click over here and delete this. I'm gonna delete YouTube and I'm gonna write Facebook. Okay, and put Facebook here. Then what you will do next, you will keep swiping like this, and I will change this. YouTube, I want this for Facebook. Okay, Facebook, and over here I will change, so, or I will not change my name. So for you, put here your name, okay, that you want to use. So for me, I will use my YouTube channel name, Thanks Smart, and I will, okay, that's it. And click over here. After you finish, just click on create. Okay, and it's gonna just take few seconds to create this image for you. As you can see, it's started creating, and let's see the result. And it's for free guys, you can use it for free to make those trending image. And here you go, as you can see, that's really nice. Okay, this is the picture, the background profile with my channel name, Thanks Smart for Facebook. As you can see, let me know in the comments guys, what's your opinion about this new AI trending image. As you can see, they are really nice. Okay, and if you want to download those pictures to your laptop, click over here. You should see over here download. Okay, click on download, and those pictures will be download to your laptop. So that's how you can create new trending image using this Beam AI website. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.